You're watching the Ram Pump Wizard, your one-stop shop to fulfill all your Ram Pump needs. The Ram Pump is a water pump that does not need fuel or electricity to operate, only flowing, falling water. In this Ram Pump video, I'm going to be putting tennis balls into the pressure tank of the Ram Pump. Now, normally in a large commercial Ram Pump, you would have a snifter valve to push some water out of the tank and bring a little bit of air into the tank to keep an air pocket in here. However, in these smaller Ram pumps, there is no snifter valve. Over the past 2 weeks, I've been testing out pressure tank fill. I've had a pool noodle, a inner tube, and this week is tennis balls. So let's go ahead and open these up, stick them in the pressure tank, and see how well they perform. There we go. Now I can already tell you that if you're going to use a small Ram pump, you couldn't use a 2-inch pipe to do this. So that is one downside already to trying this. I think what I'm going to do is run this thing with the delivery pipe closed again. That makes the whole system hit hard and build as much pressure as possible here. I may have to let some of that water out because it's so dirty. We won't get a very good test otherwise. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this down here. And that pressure is going to start building up pretty quick in there. Oh, just caved in that one ball. Did you see it? There goes the second one. See if we can get some more. Oh, third one goes. It's a lot of pressure in that thing. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but that pipe is smacking hard. Water's almost to the top. That topmost ball is almost completely flat. Okay, let's stop this, pull it out, and see what it looks like before we do the longevity test. I've received lots of comments about getting a pressure gauge for this, and I definitely will do that. I just need to get the funds for it and let them have about 3 days of that kind of pressure and see what happens. Oh, the backside crushed. Oh, second one crushed. Third one. Okay, we've almost reached maximum pressure here. They're moving up just ever so slightly. So I'm going to give this, it's Tuesday now, I'm going to give this until Thursday evening and we will see how well this is performing. Notice how the valve is no longer making the satisfying cycle that it usually has. It's got kind of a weakness to it. So that means all of the pressure available in the tank is gone and the pump is not doing much. But we're going to let it stay at this pressure 2 days. It's been 2 days. An interesting thing has happened. Let's check it out. The pressure level, or the water level I mean, is back down. Not really going anywhere as expected because the delivery is closed, but it has moved. Very curious. Pump is still not moving very well because the water isn't moving. Let's go ahead and open up the delivery pipe and see if those tennis balls pop back to their former glory. Here we go. There they go. That's wild. Where's the water going? Will it come back up? I have no idea what's going on here. Ugh. Well, it still had a lot of pressure in there. Well, they're still good. I think we're ready to go play a game. So they have lost a little bit of their firmness, but definitely still full there. No water inside, so they're not really busted. Let's see how well they work with the delivery pipe open as if it was in normal operation. Okay, it's about reached its max typical pressure here. So what I was hoping to see was a little bit of give in some of those tennis balls. I really need to put a marker on the tank here to know a more consistent level. Well, it's definitely giving an air pocket, but how effective it is at pushing back on the water, I'm not really sure. Tennis balls as a pressure tank fill might be effective. The tennis balls did survive 2 days of a really high pressure. Now, why did the water level go back down? I have no idea. Have not seen that before. But it is definitely clicking away now. As you saw from the video, the tennis balls did not do much as a pressure tank fill or bladder. So I actually have tested out several different things in the pressure tank and have come to the conclusion that it's best just to leave this tank empty and every 2 to 3 months drain the water out and let that air pocket be replenished so that the ram pump does not hit hard whenever it cycles. A new ram pump video comes out every Saturday. Be sure to join me here on the Ram Pump Wizard.